Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you may or may not know, my name is Talia and I bring makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, and nail tutorials. Today I wanted to show you guys how to do this beautiful look that's inspired by the shirt I have on in this video. It's so cute, a pop of color just right. So we're going to start off with a freshly washed face, as you guys can see, looking cute and crisp and clean, honey. So now we're going in with this brow styling wax from Amazon. Look, I'm opening and I was like, oh, what is this? It was something new I was trying, so I was excited to try it for you guys on camera, and I hope that you guys think it's really nice as well. It was hard as hell to open, but this is what it looks like. It's like a little like hair gel basically with a little spoolie. That's probably it. But I honestly was surprised. This is like the new trend going around on TikTok, and I was like, girl, let me try this because this is cute, simple, and easy. You don't gotta fill in your brows, you only gotta spiff them up and brush them, honey. That's it. So why not? So that's exactly what I did. So as you guys can see, it's not that much to it. It's basically taking some gel on a spoolie brush and brushing your brows. That's literally all. I thought it was cute. I was like, oh, okay, make my eyebrows look a little nice and stuff. As you guys can see, it looks really nice and natural. So that's why I thought it was just so cute for this look, because a natural look we're going for today, as you guys can tell. So yeah. Y'all, it was cute. I was looking at it, I was like, ooh, okay, wow, stuntin'. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. I'm taking my 16-hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. and I also got these makeup brushes from Amazon. I'm gonna be using this one, so I'll link it down below. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that concealer and we're just gonna buff it on out to also clean up our brows and also have a base for our eyeshadows. You want a shade that is either 2 tones lighter or like a white base, so that everything can sit here and set nice and not run anywhere. All your eyeshadows can lay beautifully. You want to make sure that you do it evenly and make sure you distribute all the concealer all over the eye. I love to do this to clean up my brows too, because it's so cute. Look at that, so crisp and clear. That's how you know it's ready for some shadow. So now I did one side. Now we're going on to the next side. So I'm going to take this light brown shade after I let it dry, honey, and we're going to just be packing that onto our outer quarter. And make sure you're packing it, not like swiping or brushing it. You're just packing it down, and then you're going to take a smaller blending brush and you're going to brush it out. You don't want to put no more eyeshadow. You just want to blend out this beautiful eyeshadow and make sure that it is blended and seamless. Just make sure that you guys are blending as well as you guys think is good for you guys, you know, not for me, but for you guys. So once we're in next color, I'm going to take this black shade, and like I did before, I'm just going to pack it down in my outer corner. Then I'm going to take that brush from earlier that we blended out that brown shade, and we're going to blend out this black. You want this black so I can add a little definition in the end. I think that's the word, just to make it more nice and cute. I don't even know, girl. Okay, as you guys can see, I am blended till my arm falls off. So now I'm going to take some concealer, the same one as earlier, and I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to precisely cut my crease, y'all. Okay, we're going to cut our crease. I've been doing this for a while now, so I'm really good at it, I guess, or whatever. I kind of messed up a few times, but it's okay. If you don't know how to do it, let me know down below. I will make a dedicated tutorial on how to cut your crease. If that's something y'all want to see, just let me know down below. I'm down for it. I'm here for y'all, and I got y'all. So yeah, it was given very much crisp and clear vibes. Okay, that's how you want it to look. You want to look nice. Look at me. Yes. Now we're gonna go in same with that same brush earlier that we blended out both of them shades with, and we're just gonna blend out this concealer. I also added a beautiful highlighting shade on top, just so it won't go nowhere. This is the little highlighter shade that I use. I didn't even show you guys. But yes, now it's time for some lashes, y'all. So I'm gonna come right back. Ooh, baddie. So now we're gonna take some primer, and we're just gonna take that and make sure that we put it all over our face. It was not focusing, y'all. Okay, so I was just trying to make sure that you guys could see what kind of was. This was $1. It works great. We're just gonna rub that all over our face, make sure we get it evenly, distribute every single place. You don't want no place to not have no primer on it, honey. because if you put your foundation, even if you don't wear foundation, because I'm not wearing foundation, it's gonna look cute. So now I'm going in with that same brown shade that we used the first time, and we're putting that on our lower lash line. So cute, huh? So cute. I love that. It looks so cute to me. Back in with that highlighter palette again, and we're gonna put that on our inner corner. Actually, no, I decided to use this one. We're gonna put that in our inner corner and also on the inner corner part of our lower lash line, just so it can make our eyes look brighter and pop and make them look more full and open. I really like this look. This look has also been trending on TikTok. Don't forget the brow bone. And now I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm just blending out that concealer because it's harsh. I decided I did not want to wear foundation because it was a hot day, y'all. So I'm just blending out that concealer. This is what you guys can do if you guys don't want to wear foundation, but you guys want to wear eyeshadow. So now I'm going in with this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and I'm putting it all over my lips so they can look red and beautiful. All products will be listed down below, guys, so if you guys need any details or want to know where to get it from, make sure you guys look in the description. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that all over my lips, honey. Self-explanatory, you guys can see from the video. Now we're going in with this nice cute gloss, red gloss from Amazon, and it came in a pack of, I believe, 5 or 6 different colors, so I will also link that down below.
Come on, baby.
Here's some clips from our day. We had went to the thrift store and got SJ a 4-wheeler, and Shane, this is what happened. Y'all, he's crazy. We also went to Fun Station for one of our friends' kids' birthday parties, and SJ had a ball. Shane and SJ went on the go-karts. Me and killa just watched from the sidelines because we're true supporters. Go SJ! I love my baby so much. But yes, you guys, this is the finished look. I love it so much. This is me with my hair did in the car. I couldn't record it on video for you guys. Here's an up close of the makeup look. Everything is done and looking cute. As you guys can see, your girl is slaying, slay-itch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell. Bye. Love y'all.